All right, so looking right here,
Yeah.
right, Taylor? I want you to look at this ad,
Okay.
and I want you to tell me, looking at it, right?
Yeah.
Point out on the screen, using the stylus, what type of propaganda you see here.
Well, let's see. She can govern. She can start here. Day one. More experience than non-vice president. Assembly, spies in this office. Okay, so they're using a quote from Barack Obama. Vote for Hillary. Polls are open. So they're
So what is that when they're using someone else?
it's I'm trying to remember the name, but it's where they use someone else to influence somebody else. So it's like.
Anybody want to help? Look at their notes.
I got you.
Circle what you just read.
I just read here.
Okay. So draw a line so we can write beside it.
Okay.
Write what you said, where they're using someone well-known. They're using a quote from the president.
This is hard to write on. Okay.
Anybody figured out what it is yet?
Endorsement.
James says it's an endorsement. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
All right, so write endorsement right there.
Okay.
You're running out of room. Here's the,
Eraser.
yeah.
Okay.
So just erase that part that you wrote. And then you can click the pen again. And write it right there. Okay, next person. Jace, you want to do it?
Not really, but I guess.
All right, someone can help you. All right, so what do we see here? Someone can help, Jace. You can look at it. It's on the screen, too.
He needs some help.
They're trying to make Bernie Sanders seem like he's just a normal person, sort of.
So what's that called where they're trying to make a candidate seem like a normal person?
Just plain folks. Just plain folks.
Very good.
Was that?
So what in there makes him seem like a normal person? How are they using that propaganda technique?
I'll be the person I grew up during the Great Recession. My friends watched as many struggle to get by, and I want a different country for my generation.
You
So
right,
they're
you right,
trying to
yeah,
say,
you right.
I will get paid for the same man.
Draw a mustache on her.
I'll get paid the same as
That's
man
not-
for doing the same work.
All right, let's do one more.
What?
Let's do this one. All right, who wants to do this one? All right, Shay. Everybody help Shay.
No, I said Hillary Clinton. I don't want to do that.
Somebody come do it. Here, James, you do it. Okay, Alyssa's going to do it. So everybody help Alyssa. What do we see here? Hope, action, change.
Bro, chill.
March 31st, 2017.
Right. But what propaganda technique is this? Hope, action, change. Look back at our notes.
This one.
Just go to after class.
What is that?
Glittering generalities.
Okay, right. There was a glittering generalities.
Because it's a good phrase.
Right, but it means what? What kind of change, right? What kind of action? What kind of... Very good. Thank you.
Got it.